Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to stop Gmail from opening links directly inside the app, you're in the right place. Having email links launch in your default web browser can make your browsing safer, more convenient, and let you enjoy your personalized settings. So let's walk you through the quick steps to disable open web links in Gmail's general settings. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. Take a second to make sure it's up to date. Using the latest version means you'll have access to the newest settings and improvements. Once Gmail is open, look to the top left corner. You'll spot the familiar menu icon, 3 horizontal lines stacked like a hamburger. Tap that icon to reveal a side menu packed with all your Gmail options. Now, scroll down through the menu until you see Settings. Go ahead and tap on it. This page lists all the email accounts you have connected to Gmail. If you use multiple accounts, select the one where you want to make this change. With your account selected, choose General Settings. This section controls how Gmail works at a basic level, affecting everything from notifications to how links behave. Now, scroll down until you spot the option labeled Open Web Links in Gmail. By default, this setting might be turned on, which means every time you tap a web link in an email, it opens in Gmail's built-in browser, rather than the browser you normally use. To change this, simply toggle off the option. That's it. From now on, anytime you tap a web link in your emails, it will open straight in your preferred browser. No more interruptions, and no more switching between apps. Not only does this give you a smoother browsing experience, but it also lets you stay signed into your usual websites and take full advantage of your chosen browser's features. If you ever want to reverse this, just follow these steps again and turn the setting back on. But for now, enjoy the freedom of browsing the way you prefer, right from your email. Thanks for watching.